students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is, show that the relation R in the set of real numbers defined as R is equals to A comma B such that A is less than B is the reflexive, transitive but not a symmetric. So let's see everything one by one. First, let's check whether the relation is reflexive or not. So a relation is reflexive when A comma A belongs to R. Correct? When A comma A means both the quantities A and B should be equal. Is it possible? Yes, A can be equals to B. So since we know A is equals to A, implies A is less than equals to A. Correct? Means this condition is also true. Therefore R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Now let's check transitive. If our relation is transitive or not. A relation is transitive when if A comma B, or let's take P comma Q and Q comma R belongs to relation, if these two are belonging to a relation, then P comma R and P comma R will also belongs to our relation. See, if P is less than equals to Q, if P is less than equals to Q and Q is less than equals to R, this implies P is less than equals to R. So this will also be there in our relation. Therefore R is transitive. Now let's check symmetric. Symmetric. If a relation is a symmetric relation when if A comma B belongs to the relation, then B comma A should also belong to our relation. Correct? So if A comma B is belonging to a relation, that means A is less than equals to B. Correct? Then if this is true, then B comma A should also belongs to relation, which implies B is greater than equals to A. So this both can't satisfy on same time. Can't satisfy both. Therefore it is not a symmetric relation. So we proved it is a reflexive, it is transitive, but it is not a symmetric relation. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.